Today we will discuss the topic of partition of India, key players. The partition of India led to the creation of two sovereign states, the Dominion of Pakistan, later Islamic Republic of Pakistan, and the Union of India, later Republic of India, on August 14, 1947 and August 15, 1947, respectively, upon the granitic independence to British India by the United Kingdom. Partition refers to the division of land. In this case, the division of British controlled India into East and West, Pakistan and India. Key players. Who was the key players of partition of India? Number one, All India Muslim League, Indian National Congress, Lord Mountbatten, Radcliffe, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Jawaharlal Nehru, Gandhi, and many more. First, we will discuss upon the All India Muslim League. The All India Muslim League, founded at Dhaka in 1906, was a political party in British India that developed into the driving force behind the creation of Pakistan as a Muslim state from British India on the Indian subcontinent. In Pakistan, the League formed the country's first government but disintegrated during the 1950s following an army coup. After the independence of India and Pakistan, the League continued as a minor party in India. Second, Indian National Congress. The Indian National Congress, abbreviated at INC, is a major political party in India. The Indian National Congress became the nation's leader in the independence movement with over 15 million Indians involved in its organization and over 17 million participants in its struggle against the British Empire. After the independence in 1947, it became the nation's dominant political party, only challenged for leadership in more recent decades. Nehru became a very powerful man with the support of INC. Major and very important person, Lord Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten, the great grandson of Queen Victoria and second cousin of George V. He is the last viceroy of India. He took the responsibility of partition British India and also to send back British troops back to England. He developed a strong relationship with the Indian princes who were said to have considerable confidence in him, and on the basis of his relationship with the British monarchy, persuaded most of them to accede to the new states of India and Pakistan. Sir Cyril Radcliffe. Sir Radcliffe was given the task of drawing the dividing line between India and Pakistan. Before his appointment, Radcliffe had never visited India before and knew no one in India. To the British and the feuding politicians alike, this liability was looked upon as an asset. He was considered to the unbiased toward any of the parties except of course Britain. Wanting to preserve the appreciation of impartiality, Radcliffe also kept his distance from Viceroy Mountbatten. And very important figure, Jinnah. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, December 25, 1876, September 18, 1948, was a Muslim politician and leader of All India Muslim League who founded Pakistan and served as its first Governor General. He is officially known in Pakistan as Quaid-e-Azam, great leader, and Baba-e-Quam, father of the nation. His birthday is a national holiday in Pakistan. He was the main responsible person for the partition of India. And Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru, 14th November 1889 and 27 1964, was a major political leader of the Congress Party, pivotal figure of the Indian independence movement and the first Prime Minister of independent India. He initially believed in united India but later dropped the idea after seeing the communal riots in Bengal. His family played a major role in India politics. Even today, his family is a ruling government in India. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, 2nd October 1869 and 13th January 1948, also known as Mahatma Gandhi, was a major political and spiritual leader of India and the Indian independence movement. He was the pioneer of Satyagraha, which led India to independence and inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. He is the father of nation for India. His birthday is celebrated worldwide as International Day of Non-Violence. Thank you.